Principal of St. Xavier's College in Mumbai has written a strongly worded email to students of the college where he has criticized the Gujarat model of development while praising certain UPA policies. The email has stirred a hornet's nest which doesn't name any politician or political party but at the same time is critical of the development model of Gujarat. Coming just before polls, the email has obviously raised questions about its timing and tone, given that it came from the principal's office email ID and was sent to all students. Some are questioning the propriety of this kind of political advocacy. The principal, however, said that he does not understand what's controversial about his statement.
On being contacted, the principal of Xavier's College refused to speak on camera but said that yes, I have mailed such things to students, but I have not written any political influential matter in that. I have said that there are many first-time voters and so I wanted to inform my students about the right decision, and so my mails are not at all politically influential. I am not supporting any particular party or not opposing any particular party, but these are clearly academic based mails in which I want that students should know, should have such information regarding election, and because of that I have sent them such mails, but that are not at all politically influential. But yes, the principal of Xavier's College refused to speak on camera and he has given this explanation on phone regarding the mails he sent to his students. With cameraman Kiran, Amrita Shedge in Mumbai for Headlines Today.
Well, speaking to Headlines Today, the principal said, and I quote, "I don't know why this controversy has erupted. As per the directions of the Election Commission, I have tried to educate my students and ask them to vote. My discussion was purely academic in nature, covering rural development, Gujarat model and other schemes. Intention was to make them aware of ground realities so that they can decide whom to vote for and why. That is all." Well, students of St. Xavier's are reacting to that email by the principal. Let's listen in.
No, we haven't received as such, and to be honest, we haven't received any mail as such from father, and I don't think so if father has commented or given us any message or anything on the website like people are saying. I don't think so he meant it to be like, you know, biased. He was not biased towards any party, honestly. He must have just given an opinion, and you know, he has guided us in fact to at least while choosing a party or voting someone, at least know the background of that party and then try to know what the party has done in the past, so that now you at least make a right decision. So that's what I'm sure father has meant. And about that communal thing which people are saying that father has given a communal comment in the message, so people are saying that it's against BJP. As such, father has not said BJP, but I don't know why people think that, you know, when father has said communal parties, they're saying that it must be BJP. So that is one controversy. Like, we're also thinking, like, what is it actually?
I don't know. I don't think so father has the time in the world to keep on mailing each person out here in the college. I haven't received any mail, nor do I know any person out here who has received a mail. And even if someone has received, I don't think so he has given any specific comments as far as I have written read the newspaper, because he's not given any specific targeting somebody. He's just given the facts, and he's telling people to vote according to whatever you all know. And giving facts to any newspaper also gives the facts. Magazines also give facts about every state. They have never been targeted about, you know, telling something against someone. So I don't think so it should be a big issue.
Well, the students clearly siding with the principal over there. Let me get in Amrita now with more details, standing by in Mumbai. Amrita, what are the political reactions you are getting specifically from the BJP?
See, BJP has given a very strong reaction regarding this entire matter. When we spoke to the Madhav Bhandari, the spokesperson of BJP, he has clearly said that BJP will react to it, and BJP has filed a complaint to Election Commission against the principal of Xavier's College. And Madhav Bhandari has also said that this is a very political comment made by a very senior person from a well-known college in Mumbai. If he is a principal of a well-known college, now by sending such mails to students, he is influencing their mind, and he is somehow giving them a proper very wrong direction to whom to vote and to whom to not vote. And if he is about to say this, he should join the Congress party. He is free to go on stage and then educate his students. Now he is using his position, he is using his situation, the stand on which he is taking is completely wrong, and so BJP is giving strong reactions on that. and BJP has written a letter to Election Commission and asked Election Commission to take a strong action against the principal of Xavier's College.
Okay, Amrita May, thanks for joining us with those details.